How to fix OneDrive can't open file error on PC. So there's nothing more annoying than double-clicking an important document or project file inside your OneDrive folder, only for Windows to pop up a message saying it can't open the file. It completely stops your workdays cold. Honestly, your data hasn't vanished or broken. It's usually just a quick sync misconfiguration between your PC and the cloud service. So I'm going to show you a couple of quick, effortless ways to force that file to download properly and reset your cloud engine. So a lot of times this error happens because OneDrive is trying to save hard drive space using a feature called Files on Demand. It keeps your file as an empty placeholder shortcut until you click it, but if the internet connection stutters, the download fails and throws an error. So to bypass this glitch, open up your File Explorer and we will navigate to the file that is acting up. So for example, I just open up my personal folder by using, of course, my OneDrive, and then just right click directly on the file name or folder like this with your mouse and select Always Keep on this device right here. Click on it. Okay, let's see. Okay, everything is good in my case. As you can see, it's loaded and I have a green check mark. All good. So what this pretty much will do, it will force OneDrive to download a complete physical copy of data straight onto your local hard drive, letting you open it instantly without relying on active cloud streaming. Alright, and if the file is still refusing to launch even after a direct download, the background sync engine database has likely become corrupt. So we can just run a quick built-in command to flash out the bugs without losing any of our actual files. So guys, just open up your run command by pressing, let me see, Windows plus R, and you'll get this window pop up. Then guys, open up a search app. Let me do that. There you go. And in here, just search for OneDrive.exe. There you go. So when you search for it, right click, copy path, go here, paste it, remove quotation marks from both sides, then /reset. Okay, and then press enter. And also the OneDrive icon will vanish from your bottom right taskbar rail for like a few seconds while it wipes its temporary background cache clean. Once it's done, you can open up your run box or just run your OneDrive, usually like you would always, and then go ahead and try opening your files again. That is it for this one. Enjoy, hopefully this fixes you, and see you in the next one.